Okay guys, today I have a very brief, that might sound kind of dumb, but really helpful tutorial. And basically this has to do with a phone. In this particular case is an Alcatel One Touch. It's a normal phone that you could use. It's just a cheapy phone, but it's a problem that my friend was having. Basically anybody that was calling him, we getting a busy tone on his cell phone, and nobody could reach him. And I contacted technical support, and they didn't have a solution for it. They asked me to go and check so many things, but nothing worked. So basically they were telling me to go to settings, which is right here, and then go to call settings, and then go to call divert right here. And they asked me to check all the settings, and at the end they told me to cancel everything. Okay, but nothing was enabled, and the solution was really simple, and it's right here. In this particular phone, if you go to another section right here that is called tools, there is a call filter part or setting right here. If you go into it, you have a blacklist and you have a whitelist. Okay, basically make sure that they're both empty, and even if they're empty, it will still give you problems if on the settings part you have the enable whitelist selected. Okay, this one had it enabled, and that means that anybody, and I mean anybody, that would try to call this number, even if it was a new person or someone that didn't know this person, will call, they will get a busy tone. So basically, in order for the calls to go through, you have to make sure it's on disable call filter. Okay, if you enable the blacklist, it will block all the persons that are on your blacklist. If you enable the whitelist, it will enable anybody. It will block anybody. I'm sorry. So make sure it's set to disable call filter, and basically that will solve the problem. I hope that this tutorial, even though it's simple or maybe dumb, is helpful to you, because maybe your phone is a smartphone, but I'm pretty sure that they kind of have the same type of setup options that you can do for the calls. Take a look into yours if you're having this problem, and if you have a question, just hit me up or just write me a comment, and I can help you out.